it's not really my fault. Well, it's not my fault at all, but also I was not being diligent. Basically, I replaced my front tires. I had 245/40 18s on a 9.5 inch Apex Arcade. Long story short, fuck, man, I went through this basically like car club sponsor type shit, like this tire shop that, you know, basically sponsors a little group. And man, like, you know, did them some work with them before. It was pretty good, you know, no issues. They gave me good pricing, all that shit. They communicate through text, which is, you know, kind of questionable at times. But long story short, I sent this guy a text saying I need a 255/40 18. The next text was correcting myself, and I put 35, right? Then we conversed for literally an entire day and a half after that point. So, and then like literally before I was about to pick up the tires, I'm like, yo, I need 255/35 18. Why, you may ask? Because this person apparently just thought I needed 4 tires. I told him I only needed 2. I just got my rears replaced with you guys like the other day type shit. Not the other day, but you know. No wonder it's so loud. I'm in like 5th when I get shit. I'm on 6th. So yeah, anyways, long story short, this nigga gave me the wrong tires, man. I trusted these guys, like the wheels were wrapped in the bags and all. I didn't look. I said whatever. I was with my girl and shit. Man. Then we pulled up, you know, did our day, went to like McDonald's randomly, just for like some smoothies or whatever, because I don't eat that shit. And then something just told me, yo, just check the tires. I look and they're fucking 255/40s. Fuck, man. Like, honestly, like, it's a 30-minute drive, and then I have to borrow, you know, my stepdad's SUV and shit. And it's just like too much to like try to go back and all this shit. So I just hope and pray they would fit. And to be honest, I kind of, you know, wanted the 40s so I can keep the comfort, you know, just go a little bit wider from the 245. Simply because when I looked at them and I was ready to change it, I was gonna go with the 245s again. But then I looked and seen that it seemed to be like a mild stretch, right? And man, I don't know. you live and you learn, right? So I went through this issue, and then it so happened that I had to like try to find out, you know, exactly how this tire shit works, with the profiles matching the width of the wheels and all that stuff. So it's very interesting to find out that, you know, when you go wider, you kind of want to shorten the sidewall depending on the width of the wheel, you know, so that the sidewall is perfect. You want it stiff in a car like this, right? It's like for new response, it's like track spec things, you know. So I kind of was like, fuck, I tossed them on, they fit, but like I can feel a little bit of slop, like a little bit of flex compared to what I had before, simply because, you know, this sidewall was so stiff on the tire. So it's like the reaction was just, but it just wasn't grippy because there was no tread. They're like 5 years old. So kind of like at a crossroads here. On one hand, this is not like a fully dedicated track car, but on the other hand, fuck, I spent the money, I wanted it a certain way, and like I kind of have to compromise, simply because, man, what do? I tried them on, I fucking drove around with them. I don't really like them, but like, how does warranty work with tires and shit? Like, I don't even really want to deal with that hassle, to be honest. Fucking took like a week to get the tires and whatever, all this shit. So life's about compromise sometimes. But also you gotta be diligent, you know. You pay your money, you expect a certain thing, you expect people to not read a text properly, you know. Like before I came there, I was like 255/35, right? He's like, yeah, here, come, go get my tires done. They're 240. It's like, fuck, man. Well, so on the bright side, I mean, shit, they're pretty comfortable, and you know, they are pretty fucking grippy. No rubs, nothing like that. Oh, the noise is gone. Like, they used to make like a howling noise. I was about to reenact the noise, like fucking weirdo. But they were making like a Ooh. I don't know, they're like wailing and shit. That's fucking sketchy. But yeah, the noise is gone, comfortability is kept, there's more grip. It looks, I guess, more filled out, like, you know, the wheel and whatnot. But I just can't help but think if there's, you know, something left to be desired in terms of, you know, steering response and whatnot. Like, I'm super sensitive to, like, feeling cars, you know, inputs and whatnot. I can feel, like, minor imperfections in, like, you know, the steering wheel, like, the wheels, like, out of balance. I don't know, feel shit in my ass. You ever watch that that movie called Rush? Nicky Lauda is like, you got to have a good ass. Number 1 to driving. So Nicky Lauda. Oh, shit, you know what's funny? I thought that was... Wait, I don't even know what that is, to be honest. There's this, like, green thing behind me. I don't know if it's a Honda Civic or a fucking Koki. Like an S14. It's got some nice wide wheels on there. Looks like Lexus. You know those Lexus hammerheads they call them or something? 5-star fitting. Now. So yeah, I'm about to head up to Forks. Regular shit, you know, go do some twisties. Yeah. To be honest, man, fuck. I know these tires are kind of like. I know it's kind of fucked. Like, I know they were not correct. Because they're 40 psi, like they're over pumped because clearly like it was too fat for the fucking wheel. But it's fucking, man, I don't know what to do, bro. It's already been a couple days, so fuck. And the other thing too, this nigga, like, I had these silver caps on, and like I got the wrong tires and I didn't get my caps back either. Like, I got some black caps. Like, where the fuck are my silver caps? Like, to be honest, I'm not really happy. And like, but fuck, man, I don't want to go through this hassle. Like, I don't know what to do. I'm gonna call them. They can tell me I'm shit out of luck or something. Unless, you know, they can fucking take them back. And like, you know, fuck, I'll take a L, like $200 L, whatever. Just give me my right fucking tire. But then also, it would be the worst part if it's like not much different. Because to be honest, man, like I made a little post on this BMW on this M3 track group and stuff, and like I asked about, you know, my issue. And one guy was actually saying, man, the sidewalls on MPS4s are super soft. Like, they're not as good as like as stiff as sidewalls, like a RE17 whatever tire. I don't know what the fuck that nigga was saying, but basically, apparently they're known for having a soft ass sidewall. I'm not too sure why, but fuck. It is what it is. Holy shit. But yeah, I know this little tidbit, this little update on my new setup. So right now I'm rocking 255 40 18s in the front, 275 35 in the back. And yeah, trying to hit up some I'm gonna hit up TMP next week. Get some good footage, some dope shit. Yeah. Shit, that's it for now, niggas. Peace out.
Off the pack, I told that little bitch I got no time, just relax. I'm off that perky, I need this shit just for my bag. I'm sitting in the Cadillac, I'm smoking on thrax. Got your bitch beside me, riding through the city in that foreign big body. Push him on the shit, and I know I'm in the party. Young nigga be riding through the city off that Molly. Yo bitch right beside me, then he holding on the Tommy. Holding on the AK, told that little bitch put that shit away. Just like TK, that nigga going away. 5 to 99, goddamn, that nigga ain't coming out. I'm putting it in her mouth. Young nigga come from Toronto, nigga know that that's from the south.